I know so many of you guys love Toto, so you should be okay. So we have our shrimp and some rice. He's so chunky. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys what I eat in a week. Also kind of vlogging because I don't really know how to separate the videos when I'm already kind of vlogging what I eat anyways. A lot of you guys seem to be fascinated about what my diet is. I don't really watch my diet very well, or as well as many people like would think. I know so many of you guys love Toto. Say hello, Toto. Meow. For Monday, we are going to be making shrimp, specifically honey shrimp, honey garlic shrimp, something like that. I found a recipe on TikTok and I made it last week and it was so freaking good. And so now I've just been kind of eating it here and there. If you eat about 8 of these, it is 20 grams of protein. This is me sort of upset that there's dishes in here because I literally did them this morning. Hello? 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 So we have our shrimp and some rice. I'm also going to be drinking a Premier Protein. I definitely want to learn to make this more saucy because last time it was like super watery. Also, to keep in mind with everybody, I like don't eat 3 meals a day. Like sometimes I just eat this when I'm chilling. Sometimes I eat 2 meals a day. Sometimes I eat 3 meals a day. Sometimes I eat 1. Like it really just depends. It's real good. It has become extremely routine for me that after I eat and after I cook, I clean the entire kitchen. I just don't like the kitchen to be dirty. I decided I'm gonna eat a Yoplait yogurt. This is my favorite flavor. This is the Harvest Peach flavor, gas. But this has 14 grams of added sugar, which is crazy. Trying to avoid a lot of like added sugars because I feel like since I've been doing that for the past maybe like 2 weeks here, I have just been bloating like a lot less. Go get my coffee because I'm like starting to like crash and it's like 3:08. If you want to eat really healthy and you want to bang for your buck, and if you want things that are high in protein, I highly recommend getting a Costco membership. Okay guys, we're gonna go to Costco now. So I never go to Costco alone because one, I can never carry all the shit that I fucking buy. So my friend is going to take me to Costco. The pizza is done. Looks like this. It's kind of like Italian dunkers.
What's that? And then you have the pasta with the tomato sauce. You dip it in that bitch.
Yeah.
That's disgusting. I hate that shit.
Mister does not like cheese, like at all.
Fuck cheese. I love cheese pizza. Bonjour. What?
You hate cheese, but like cheese pizza. Just imagine with your brain if the kitchen was pink. I kind of want to wrap like all of the cabinets pink because the gray is giving boring. I'm gonna give Toto a bath because he fucking stinks like fish sauce. You freaking stink like fish sauce, my boy. My boy. Anyways, let's go get changed because if you have a cat, you know damn well you have to basically armor up. Da-da. Da-da. You stink like fish. Fish. Okay. I already clipped his toenails yesterday, so you should be okay. He's not gonna like this. Come on, Toto. We have a cat bag, but we're not gonna use it because he's gotten really good at baths. Ow! Ow! Toto! No! See, it really wasn't that scary. Toto, it's really not that bad, but you really stink like fish. Towel dry it first, baby. See, you can. You look like a little rat. If we don't blow dry him, he's gonna stink again. But we have to do it out there in his playpen because the plug in this bathroom is broken. Good morning, guys! This is probably the best bread like ever. It has to come in this brand. I forgot we're going to the basketball game tomorrow, so I have to text everybody the plans, which I had totally forgot. Why did that even happen? So I'm deciding to do my makeup right now while I watch some Black Clover. I'm done with my hair and my makeup. Honestly, today's makeup 8. Everybody knows these are the best ones in the bag. I promise you guys, he's fine from the bath from yesterday. He smells a lot better. He's also a lot fluffier. He's so chunky. Huh? You chunky boy. You stinky chunky boy. You stinky chunky boy. So we just went to Song Ti. You guys remember I love Song Ti. My friend won me a new keychain, a Kuromi keychain. Look at how cute it is. And then also won me the Hello Kitty. Look at the mug. I swear I'm always so lucky. But look at this one. Oh my god, this My Melody one is so cute. I like this. Look at this Hello Kitty one, and this Hello Kitty one, and this Hello Kitty one. I actually really like this one. It comes with a little plate. Okay guys, so it's dinner time. Actually it's 9:45 p.m. It's really late. But I'm having some shrimp and spinach and just some rice. This is what I like to eat mainly every single day for a bigger meal. It's good today. Good morning guys, it is Wednesday and it also is the day we are going to go watch the Timberwolves play. Let's get to breakfast because I am starving. Like, I am craving the avocado and toast I made yesterday. Honestly, I'm freaking beat. I slept in. This is what I was craving, Korean spicy noodles, but the carbonara.